Today, the United States requires more science, technology, and licensed professionals than ever before. And we have answered the call. For over 20 years, STEP and C-STEP have increased the number of historically underrepresented and disadvantaged students prepared to enter college, and have improved their participation rate in mathematics, science, technology, healthcare, and the licensed professions.
If you're planning for a year, plant crops. If you're planning for a decade, grow trees. But if you're planning for a lifetime, educate the people.
And it just improves the quality of life. It gives students a greater sense of self-assurance and security, and it improves their overall performance.
It's absolutely making a difference in my life. I look forward to coming here every day to learn new things.
And they were very supportive of me as an individual. I mean, they looked at me as someone who had potential to achieve whatever I wanted to achieve.
I know that I'll do better, and I know that'll just keep helping me, and it just keeps on letting my mind remind me that I have to get to college and everything.
I would also say that this investment that New York State has made in students is a great investment.